Hey planner people, it's your girl Erica with Erica Makes Plans, and I am here with my next Cyber Weekend purchase, and this is the Plum paper planner. I, listen, I was trying to say what was in my head while at the same time reading, and it like freaked me out because it was the same thing. I mean, you guys, I be tired. I'm old. Don't at me. Anyway, so this is my Plum paper planner, which is meant to be my main chick for next year. So let's open her, shall we? Also, shout out to these shops for putting the shipping label on the bottom of the box now, which kind of helps. So I'm going to pull that out and put this box to the side. Okay, now let's unbox this. Okay, now it looks like we got a couple of freebies. Well, we'll get to the card in a minute. Plum paper says it's a beautiful day to make plans. Indeed, plum paper it is, and this is how to care for your planner, keeping it cool, keeping it clean, keep it neat, and keep it fresh. Okay. And then they sent some freebie. Oh, how cute. These are some cute holiday themed paper clips. How nice is that? How nice is that? Last year they sent page flags, and those were cute too, but I mean, these are extremely useful. I like it. Also a freebie. Wow. Plum paper has stepped up their freebie game. This came off, so I'll just show it to you. It says today's agenda. It's like a notepad. And it has your to-dos, today's mood, top priority, notes, and then a water tracker, and a don't forget area. And up here you put the date, and you can circle the day. So that's useful. That's handy. And I wonder, I may give this away. I may give this away. I may use it. We'll see. Because it does look useful, particularly for work. But I may gift it to one of my coworkers because it does seem like it would be useful, particularly at work. But yeah, so today's agenda, another freebie. I'm going to put that there. Now, if you're not familiar with Plum, when you order Plum paper planner, they give you this card that's made of the material that the cover. And I think it's meant because it tells you it's water resistant, tear proof, and rigid and sturdy. Well, it's definitely rigid and sturdy. I think they want you to put, because nobody's going to want to try to test their planner cover for water. So they want you to, trust me, I've tested these cards before. The material is waterproof, and then I have tried to tear it, and you cannot. But when you do try to tear it, it does leave an indentation like that. So I guess that's why they give you the card, so you can try to tear the card and not be jacking up your planner cover trying to prove that it's tear proof. So anyway, so there's that. And then dun, da, 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 the planner. Okay, and as you can see, I did opt for the disc punched planner again. And I was going to order it unpunched and punch it myself so that it fit better on the Happy Planner disc. But I think I'm going to get some lavender discs anyway for this. So, whatever. But as you can see, it is blue. If you caught my video yesterday of my Jane's Agenda unboxing, there is a blue planner cover just waiting for it. This is one of the, I want to say, teacher covers, but anybody who knows me knows that, you know, molecules and such are just right up my alley. Personalized for you by Plum Paper. This planner belongs to. Then, of course, you have your full year calendar, and then your special dates, and then ideas, plans, goals. You can put whatever you want here. Then you get to January has a page. Now, with the Plum Paper planner, I can talk, y'all, I promise. The Plum Paper planners, one thing about them is they ship the actual planner, and then they give you the tabs at the end. And I think it just makes it easier for them with the customization and the months or whatever. So they can just give you however many months that you ordered and then give you the dividers. So I have the dividers here, which I'll be putting in later, but I'm going to put them here for now. So as you can see, well, I'll show you the back of January. As you can see, I have ordered the neutral planner with new color. So in Plum Paper world, that means that even the dividers have no color, which is okay because that means that I can decorate the dividers, which is what I did with these, even though they had color. I went ahead and, well, that one I put some cardstock on because I went ahead and decorated my own dividers. So I'm okay with that. I have plenty of stickers, plenty of scrapbook paper, plenty of stuff that I can use to decorate a divider to where that doesn't bother me. So there's the January, and as you can see, the neutral Plum Paper planner does not have, I'm trying to see if I can find one that I did not decorate, and I'm sure there is one because I did not decorate them all. Okay, here's June. So this is the regular Plum Paper, and as you can see, it has the colored divider, and then it's got color along the side, and then it's got these 3 circles: birthdays, events, and things to remember. With this one, it's just a neutral palette, no circles. I opted to not have headers on here so that I can decide what I'm going to do with it, which I have to tell you, now that I was just getting in my groove, figuring out what to do with this. This is my October. what to do with this in this Plum paper planner. So I'm going to have to rethink my approach to all of this, but that's okay. That is okay. And then of course you get your calendar, your monthly. Sidebar is on the right, which is different from Happy Planner. And then here are your weeks. And this is a vertical column A5. So that is what this looks like. And as you can see, I chose not to put anything up here, which is fine. And then nothing here. One thing I would implore Plum Paper, I'm like, dog, while I'm customizing things, please make it so that I don't have to have this useless calendar here if I don't want it there. Like, I have yet to find anyone who has a very good use for this calendar. I've seen people that highlight the day of the or the week that this is on this calendar, but I mean, I find that, you know, unnecessary for most people because, I mean, I can always flip to my monthly for that, so why would I? But anyway, so that's the week, and then you get all of your weeks together, and then there's a sheet at the end of January. So that's my Plum paper planner. Oh, and I forgot, they give you a little pocket in the back, so that's cool. Your 2025 look ahead calendar is in the back. They give you a contact sheet. You get some paper, some dot grid, yeah, I think that's it. Contacts and password page. Now, the password page this year has the 2025 calendar on the back. It didn't have that. Well, I can't show you that page because I do actually use it when I need to scribble something down quickly before I save it. And I actually have a digital file that I have saved where I keep all of my passwords and everything. Yeah, y'all shouldn't do that, by the way. The only reason I do it is because, well, I was going to say because I have so many, as if y'all don't have so many. But I work in IT, so trust me when I say I have so many that there's no way I could keep track of the number of passwords that I have, particularly since a lot of them I did not get to choose. So, but y'all don't want to hear about my problems. But anyway, this is my Plum paper order. This cute little, I'm going to put this over here, this cute little freebie agenda that I like. And here's the cute holiday clips. Anyway, let me know what kind of planner you're using in the comments below. Let me know what you're doing for your 2024 lineup. If you've already got your 2024 lineup, because child, I still got planners to buy. Like, I don't know, like I still got to figure out what I'm going to do with my budget planner, but we'll talk about that in a different video. Mostly because most of the budget planners, the budget page is, annoying to me, the actual budget page. Also, a lot of the budget planners have stuff for like cash stuffing and going to the bank. I don't do all that. I don't touch cash if I don't have to. Most of everything I do financially is digital because that's just how my mind works. But, whatever. You do you. But anyway, let me know if you've got your lineup finalized, and what it is, and whether or not you still have stuff that you need to get. But other than that, I hope my dog is tripping and he's going to make me hurt him. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm not talking to you. Anyway, I hope you subscribe if you're not already. Feel free to give me a little like down below and leave a comment. But on that note, I'm going to go fight a puppy. I'm out of here.